Привіт усім! Як справи? Hope you are feeling добре. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you singular and plural of the noun. But before we start, I would like to ask you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write comment about it. For example, did you understand this topic, or maybe you have some questions? So, поїхали! It means let's go. Nouns change their form according to the number and can be used in singular or plural forms. In the plural form, the stems of the masculine noun which end in a hard consonant get ending I. For the feminine nouns, the plural form is built by changing the ending a to e. And the neuter nouns changing their ending o to a. And if they have ending a, it changes into ya. For example, marker, marker. We hear hard consonant r. Marker, marker, marker. Книжка, книжка, книжки, книжки. Яблуко, яблуко, яблука, яблука. Море, море, моря, моря. If you want to learn Ukrainian language more, I would like to invite you to check out our classes in school Bright Kids Online Ukrainian School. You can sign up for free Ukrainian language class using clip in the description of this video. Thank you a lot for your attention. Дякую! Па-па!